how Pairaphrase translates PDFs. Pairaphrase converts your PDFs into a Word document behind the scenes. If the text is live, I mean if it is digital, we skip the OCR. Yeah, so directly it reads the text because the text is text. Otherwise, if the text is image-based, an OCR will be applied. As I told you, it is one of the best OCRs in the market. In my opinion, it is the best. Then you can translate and post-edit that Word document, and after you're done, you download it as a Word document to your computer, or you can also save it as a PDF back in Google Drive. And Pairaphrase has recently incorporated two different processing modes: retain flowing text or retain page layout. These are the same modes Acrobat Pro offers to process files. If you go to your Pairaphrase user profile, you will find, I will show you where, you will find the options for you to select. You can choose retain flowing text or retain page layout. And what does that mean? If we talk about retain flowing text, this is best for digital text-based documents because it keeps text easy to edit and flowing naturally. Like the first document, the first digital document, the first hybrid document I showed you where you had text, it keeps text really flowing, as it says. So I suggest you use this when you have documents that are PDFs that are text-based, like Word, Google Docs, or even if you have a PDF that comes from an InDesign software, because the translation output will flow naturally. So you will not have many issues, or you will not have issues at all. Keep in mind that flowing text mode may not preserve the original visual layout as precisely as the next mode we are gonna see. But if your priority is to edit or reformat the translated content, this is the way to go. Otherwise, if you are focusing on the page layout, I will suggest you use the retain page layout mode. This is the best choice when you are dealing with design-heavy or complex PDFs, especially those that include charts, tables, diagrams, or any kind of structured formatting. Because when you choose this mode, Pairaphrase will focus on visually matching the original layout as closely as possible. So while the text may be harder to be edited afterwards because you will have probably text boxes or images, different fonts, you will have a better layout preservation. And I will show you two examples of the same document translated with the different ways. Let me go back here. Remember I showed you this document, which was layered, and it is quite a complex document to translate because the layout is quite specific. And I will show you how I could translate it with flowing text mode, and this was the result, flowing text mode. But look at what happened when I translated it with page layout mode. A huge difference, isn't it? Of course, some things will need to be edited because in Spanish has more characters and words than English. So here I have some layout issues due to text expansion. So what I can do here is simply select the text and reduce the font size to make it fit into the box. If I do this, voila, really simple and fast. So let's move on. So this retain page layout is great to use when you have documents like reports, school forms, or data exports, when the layout matters more than the text itself. My suggestion, try both options with the same file to see which result best meets your needs. Because sometimes you will see that one option is better than the other, and you will see that by testing. Again, don't worry about consuming words, you will not run out of them.